Hi, friend. My friend has kindly allowed me to make this clip for his Mini 1964 model. Mini is a small two-door, four-seat car developed by ADO 15 and produced by the British Motor Corporation and its successors from 59 until 2000. This was made for almost 4 decades, the same car, and sold during six. From the last year of the from the 1950s into the last year of the 20th century over a single generation as a fastbacks, estates, and convertibles. This is just a hardtop Mini 64 model, but restored to its original condition by finding parts from UK and locally making them up. Um, the paint quality is excellent. The wheel size is 10, and like we have done a small change in the silencer bit, which is just to make it more noisy. But you can see the restoration um, is taken a lot of pain, and you can see from the paint job it has done. Um, the original Mini was considered as an icon of 1960 British popular culture. Its space saving transverse engine and front wheel drive layout, allowing 80% of the area of the car's floor pan to be used for passengers and luggage, influenced a generation of car makers. In
अच्छा ये अभी नहीं
1999, the
नहीं है।
Mini was
ये
voted the
इनको
second
शौक
most
था बस
influential
लगाने का
car
इसके रिम्स को
um,
ढूंढने का इतना मुश्किल हुआ था हमें। मैं 5 से 1.5
of the
महीना लग गया था
20th
इसके सिर्फ
century,
रिम्स ढूंढने में।
behind the Ford Model
हाँ
T
क्योंकि ये वो है
and
ना,
ahead of the
दस साइज है
Citroën
ना,
DS and
10 साइज है
Volkswagen
और ये वो
Beetle.
है क्या कहते हैं आफ्टर
So
मार्केट है।
enjoy this. It's a very
इसका
small
टायर अभी
clip,
ये नहीं मिल रहा।
but I think we have done justice to it. Take care. Bye bye.